Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Razr 2023 from Metro by T-Mobile. So this one came out last year on Metro. Yeah. So you guys are looking for like a flip phone type of deal here. The Motorola Razr is worth checking out here. It's available now in two colors. You have sage green and a somewhere lilac purple-ish color there. Both colors look very nice in my opinion. I would probably get the purple color personally, because why the hell not? It has 128 gigabytes of storage there. The summer lilac color is in stock right now, and the sage green color is not in stock as I'm recording this video here. Okay. So anyways, you guys got the front and like the inside of the phone there, hole punch, front facing camera there. The front, like the outer part of the phone will have like your display and your dual camera setup and whatnot. There it is right there, your display. Dual camera right there. There it is on the back of it, being completely open. This is your back here. You got the Razr logo, Motorola logo there on the back. Hands here, your display, cameras, and all that good stuff. There it is in the flex mode type of deal there. Very nice. Ring the number of the Metro, and you can get the Motorola Razr for $99.99 with the Metro Flex Plus plan. That's the highest tier plan at Metro right now. So for $100, you're getting a great deal here. If you get like a brand new number, completely brand new number with Metro, it is $319.99 for retail price of the Motorola Razr 2023 as of June 9th, 2024 is $549.99. Alright. So yeah. Features: the Motorola Razr has a 64 megapixel main camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide plus macro camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 30.2 hours of talk time, 18.75 days of standby time, 6.9 inch display, nice. Full HD plus OLED display, that's the inner display, 2640 by 1080 pixel resolution. Other features include iconic foldable design. Obviously this is iconic, the brand's iconic, the design is iconic, the whole thing about the phone is iconic. So if you guys are a fan of the Razr devices, this is the phone for you. Capture content like never before with Flex View, all day 4200 mAh battery, 1.5x external display for your essentials at a glance, immersive entertainment with a 6.9 inch OLED screen with Dolby Atmos and spectacle sound. Versatile high-res cameras, powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. Dimensions are right there. Now when the phone is open, it is 6.73 inches height, 0.28 inches depth. When the phone is closed, it's 3.7 inches height, 0.62 inches depth. Turbo powered 30-watt charging. Enjoy the freedom of 5-watt wireless charging. Son of a bitch. Oh, sorry about that. It says meet the all-new Motorola Razr with a super stylish, pocket-friendly flip design, available in a range of fun, trend-setting colors and a vegan leather finish. Motorola Razr imagines what a phone can do. Discover new ways to interact, capture, and create by folding your phone so it can stand on its own at multiple angles. Go all day and night on a single charge of its outstanding battery. View notifications on the external display with the phone closed, so you're always up to date. Then flip it open to reveal an ultra smooth, incredibly vivid 6.9-inch speed OLED screen combined with multi-dimensional sound for immersive entertainment. Add to that its 64 megapixel and 32 megapixel high-res cameras, front and back, back and front respectively. And you've got a phone like no other. Embrace the unexpected with the new Motorola Razr. The specs on the Motorola Razr has a 4200 mAh battery, Type-C, Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, AC-AX, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3 NFC, so you can use Google Pay on here. Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. It has Android, it came with Android 13, I believe. It probably got Android 14 now, probably. 8 GB of RAM, 4G LTE, 5G of course, supported email platform, HearNet compatibilities, wireless dementia alerts, mobile hotspot, frequency. The Moto Razr weighs 6.65 ounces. Dimensions on the Moto Razr, this is when the phone is open, so keep it in mind. 6.73 inches height, 2.91 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. That's when the phone is opened. What comes with the Moto Razr is, of course, your Moto Razr 2023 smartphone, Type-C charging cable, your guides like your terms and conditions and stuff like that, and your Sam ejection pin. So, yeah. So, yeah, there you guys have it with the Moto Razr 2023. Available at Metro. It's been out since last year. So if you guys are looking to get like an iconic phone, iconic design, iconic brand, iconic this or that and the other, the Moto Razr is the phone for you. It's very iconic, and in all ways, it's iconic. So yeah, if you guys are a fan of the Razr phone and you guys like the flip phone form factor, this is the phone for you. Very nice looking phone, especially the lilac purple color option. In my opinion, I would get that one over the sage green one, in my opinion, but that's just my personal opinion. You get any color you want, but yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.